Hey guys, it's Laura with Blanket Safe. I wanted to get on here today and try and show you how I use Blanket Safe and how to help you use Blanket Safe so you're not wasting your products or overusing them. Keep in mind, remember, these washes were designed for horse blankets, so you never should have to add extra to the washing machine. So first things first, I make sure that all leg straps are attached to themselves. I think this is really important. It helps them from getting stretched out, tangled up in the blanket, especially when there's problems. Secondly, I fold it up, right? Fold the blanket right up in there so the outside or the inside is to the outside, if that makes sense. You want the dirty stuff to clean itself. And then I shove it in. I don't do my Velcro cleaning at this time. I do it afterwards. Some blankets are still so gross and grimy and full of hay or dirt that it can still get gunked up in there. And I'm all about saving time, not about wasting it. So I've got two little kids that'll probably run in here anytime now. Once again, snap all leg straps together and throw it right into the machine. I can fit about 2 to 3, even 4 blankets in this machine at any given time. And I do the same. This, it's not prepared, it's not scripted. This is just raw and real. Nothing fancy about it. But I want to show you how you can do it at home as well. You can do it in your machines. It is best if you have an industrial machine. Just the motor's bigger. It's better for cleaning. It really gets them scrubbed up. And again, the more water can slosh around in there and the more it can scrub up on itself, the better off it's going to clean. And again, it goes right into the machine. Close and lock that door. I set it to a medium setting, and excuse me while I fill some soap. I don't know if you can see this. This is all I use. It's probably about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup. That's all that goes in. Goes right into the machine, and that's it. So these blankets should come out looking fantastic, and now we wait. So if you have any questions, you can always see the before and after pictures on my Instagram at Blanket Safe, as well as on Facebook. Again, it's at Blanket Safe. And that's about it. If you have questions, let me know, put it in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer it for you. Happy washing, friends.